In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add additional fonts to PowerPoint. In order to add a new font, go to any website that offers fonts for download, for example, Google Fonts or any other. So go to one of these resources and choose the font you like, and download it. I want to upload this font. And this one too. Here are the fonts I have selected. I'll download them. And I'll open the zip folder and then the true type font file. Sometimes it's called TTF or OTF file. And I install it. I'll quickly repeat the process also with the other font. Now I'm able to use it in all programs that I have on my computer, as well as in PowerPoint. Let's find these new fonts in PowerPoint. In case you don't see your installed font, close PowerPoint, open it again, and find your new font. And here they are. Give me a thumbs up if this was helpful and subscribe to my channel to get even more useful tips about PowerPoint.